Before you can begin to understand how the WordPress load process works, you need to understand how standard HTML and PHP web pages work. When you request a file on a standard website that uses just HTML web pages, then web server simply retrieves the file and sends it to you. Hypertext Preprocessor (PHP). When you request a PHP file on a web server, then the server must read the file, and pass it to a PHP processor which interprets the PHP code and send the result to the user's browser as HTML. MySQL Structured Query Language Database. WordPress doesn't use file extensions like you find on normal websites. The URL that the user types into his web browser is converted by WordPress into a database query. htaccess file. The file is a little difficult to understand as it requires a good knowledge of regular expressions. WordPress index PHP. There are only 2 lines, the rest are comments. The lines are index PHP commands. The first statement defines a constant called wp_use_themes, and the second statement loads another file called wp-blog-header.php. PHP includes. Using separate files means that code blocks can be separated out and makes editing easier. wp-blog-header.php. This file is loaded by the index.php file, and it loads other files which also load other files. Although the load process involves many different files, the most important ones are index.php in the root directory, wp-config.php in the root directory, index.php in your theme folder.